5 cool stuff from Mukiya. They make a bunch of fun mobile accessory laptop stuff. We got a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger, wireless charging station. We got a 3-in-1 MagLeap wireless charging stand, 3-port desktop charger, and an 8-in-1 USB-C laptop stand docking station, 4K 60Hz HDMI, and 100-watt PD charging. Okay, so you can get some extra ports on your laptop with that. Okay, so first up we got the 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger for phone. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. Something like that. It comes with a block. The USB. It's purple in there. So you know it's fast, right? Decent length cord. Good for a nightstand or something. There it is. Does it fold? What does it do? Okay. So it lay flat and it fold up. And then, oh, you can charge your AirPods back here. So if you have AirPods with the wireless charging, then you can plug them in there. Oh, what's this? Oh, you can charge the Apple Watch right here. Wait a minute. Is that the 3-in-1? Okay, you can charge your phone, Apple Watch, AirPods. All right, so I've gathered my Apple accessories, so we should be able to potentially charge these all at the same time. So I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, so that's what the back is for. This little button is to turn the light on and off. There we go. Now it's a little darker in here. Right? No, man. And we're gonna stick a phone on it. Oh, it turned blue. Boom, look at that. Heck yeah. We got the AirPods. These are pretty dead. Just gonna, oh, look. You see it? It flashed green for a second. Did you see it? It's flashing. It flashed orange. And now I'm gonna put the Apple Watch on. Boom, look at that. So if you really like Apple products, you want something a little small for your desk at night or whatever, you can turn the light off because it's annoying. There you go, you charge all your stuff. Look at how little amount of space that takes up. That's nice. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the next one, shall we? Next up, we got PaktVault wireless charging station, and it's got a night light. This one you can also charge 3 devices apparently. We got a long one, also comes with a block and a cable, and it's not purple inside. And it's also Type-C to Type-C and Type-C block. And then in here, what do we get? I tried to make it look nice. There it is. I'm just kidding. Look at that, huh? I go like that. Okay, AirPod, Apple Watch, phone. And then on the back, there's a little button, probably for the light. Oh, the Apple Watch can also be pushed up. Okay, let's get it plugged in. I'm gonna push the button on the back. There's the light. Okay, it's on. It's even brighter. It's brightest. Okay, 3 light settings. That's kind of nice. And then you just hold it to turn it off or what? Okay, cool. Make sure everything works. I like the look of this one, and it's got like some texture here and stuff. I like a nice little cute color design. I like it. Feels nice and high quality. Okay, here we go. I was worried it might like tip over or something, but base wide. Okay, and then Apple Watch. Okay, and then AirPods. Did it do it? Yeah, look, it's lighting up. Did you see it? Okay, I think I like this one more. I don't know why, but I like that it's a little bit wider and it just like has a bit nicer of a like first impression for me. But I do like this one. I think my favorite part is the color scheme and the texture of like this black part. My favorite. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Number 3, MagLeap wireless charging stand, foldable and portable and magnetic travel charger. It's got a unique suitcase design, 3-in-1 design, and it's foldable, portable design, travel ready. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, it's pretty small. Yeah, that's cute. It's a little suitcase. We got a letter from the designer. Hold up. Oh, I'm already tearing up. We got a Type-C to Type-C block. Okay, the Type-C cable. I think that might be the longest one yet. It's also white to match the white suitcase version that we got. Dear Explorer, the traveler has to knock at every alien door to come to his own. We didn't just create a charger, we crafted a key to stillness in a world that never stops moving. May it bring ease to your journey and space for what matters most. Poppy. That's so cute. I love when people do stuff like that. Yes. Okay, here we go. Let's see what it looks like now that I got you all hyped up for the design. Does it look like suitcase or what? The wheels don't move. I think it looks like suitcase. Look at that. And now the suitcase is open. AirPod down here. Phone right here, Apple Watch right there. Let's get it plugged in, make sure it all works. Oh, and it got a little rubber grip on it too. Nice. All right, here we go. Boom. Okay, there's a little indicator light right there. So we know something's happening. Let's try out the AirPods. All right, Apple Watch. Oh, I like magnet. And then of course, the phone. All right, it's charging them all at the same time. It takes up a little bit of space. And if you want to just charge your phone, probably just turn it into a flat charger. That should also work. Boom, desktop charger. That's pretty cool. I like this one. I really like the little wheels in the front. I like the little wheels. Look at them little wheels. We're gonna pack this one up and move on to the next one. Up next, we got 3-port desktop charger. Fast charging for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Oh, wait, this is kind of cool. I didn't know I needed this until right now. 67-watt fast charging is like a circular block with 2 Type-Cs and a Type-A, and it's orange. It's very heavy. And then anyways, before I was so rudely interrupted, what is this? Oh, heck yeah, dude. This is like... Sorry, I've been watching Game of Thrones. Heck yeah, I like this. Okay, so it's like an extension cord, but instead of getting a stinky plug at the end of it, you get 2 Type-Cs and a Type-A. That's cool. The reason I was swinging it around, because this reminds me of like an XLR cable. It's like really hard braided, nice, thick. I like it. Let's test it out, make sure it works. So we got a Type-A. Boom, lit up. Let's go. We got 2 more Type-Cs. We have light. 1 more. And last but not least, and it's charging. All right, so it works. I like this thing. I don't think I've ever seen like an extension cable with like Type-Cs and stuff in it. Mad respect. We powered all of our chargers here. A special shout out to like the heavy duty braided cable. I like that. Definitely use this. Probably be a cool thing to have for like an RV or something maybe. I don't know. It's cute. Anyways, let me get this all this stuff put away, and then we're gonna take a look at the last item. Last but not least, we have the 8-in-1 USB-C laptop stand. Docking station. It's a drive-free design, 2 USB-A ports, 100-watt fast charging, 4K HDMI, 5 GB per second quick transmission. Oh, what? Look at this. The fancy. They got drip. And it just comes with a little cable to connect to your laptop. No power necessary. It just powers from your laptop. Oh, look at that. All this stuff with 1 USB Type-C can be added to your laptop. So it's got 3 Type-Cs, a TF card reader, SD card reader, 2 USB Type-A's, and 2 HDMI's. So if your laptop doesn't have functionality for like HDMI or like a SD card reader, you can just buy this and plug it right in and it'll work. What in the world? I like it. On the back there's some like rubber feet. I like this mechanism. And this mechanism remind me of like, you know, when you go to the pool and you're trying to make sure that the back of the chair is like up all, you know what I mean? You guys know what I'm talking about. And for the people that wonder if it's still open, when you open, it does. We got flap as well. Cool. Okay, technically you only get 2 extra Type-Cs because this one is for the PC in. Okay. Just to clarify. We get some good quality, thick Type-C cable for fast transmission. That'll go right here in the first Type-C slot. And then this will go into your laptop. All right, Nemo strikes again. We got another Nemo. Nemo has not been turned on in a while. Okay, so we got the Nemo strapped up, ready to go. We got our extra functionality here. We're gonna test it and see if this stuff works. Let's like plug in an SD card. Got one of those. All right, SD card has appeared. Okay, so SD card reader works. And if you want to just like not have it up or whatever, and just have the extra functionality like down here, you can do that too. It's just underneath. You just run the cords under. Okay, and I got the SD card plugged in, so you should hear a sound when I'm going to test the other two Type-Cs and also see if you can like transfer information from them. So we got a SD card here. All right, that one works. Try this one. All right. There we go. And then the last thing we have is a TF card slot. Okay, here's the TF card. Boom. All ports tested, everything works. Good job. Okay, so I have HDMI plugged in to the docking station. I just want to test the port and make sure it all works. Got a monitor here. HDMI 1 engaged. Is the monitor on or attached to it? Well, did it do it? Is the eagle there? Has the eagle landed? Let's go. Okay, yeah, that's cool. See the mouse moving? That's me. So HDMI port work, and then I have a couple things to just kind of plug in here just to make sure the rest of these ports work too. Okay, let's try this Type-C port. There's two to test. Here's the first one. Watch for the screen lighting up. Boom, there we go. That one works. Okay, we're gonna test the second one. Here we go. Here's the second one. Boom, there we go. Not too bad. Okay, so that was 5 cool things from Mukiya. I definitely have a really good first impression of these guys. I love what they're doing. I love that there's a little bit of creativity and expression in it. It's really cool. I like what they're doing over there. I really like this one especially because adding functions onto a laptop is really nice. You don't have to buy, like, for example, this. This is what I use to transfer files. Most businesses probably have like a NAS, but if you don't have a NAS and you don't have SD card reader on your PC, you probably have something like this. And it's just not as cool. It's not as like, you can't like, you know, stash it away, hide it away. I mean, it's just kind of there being ugly, you know. This is also an SD card reader and a TF card reader. But like I said, it's not as well integrated into like a stand or whatever. This is kind of nice. The point I'm trying to make is there's probably a lot of people out there that don't have like SD card readers on their laptop or HDMI slot, and maybe they want to put, you know, maybe you want to play like stuff on a computer monitor. You have a computer monitor laying around or whatever, and your laptop's never had HDMI. Pretty cool. They got 3-in-1 chargers. They got 4-in-1 chargers. They got 8-in-1 docking stations. They got a whole bunch of really cool mobile accessories, laptop accessories, phone, watch accessories. So check them out. I'll leave a link for the store in the description. You get a 10% off discount code. And yeah, just give these guys a shot. I really like their style. They're pretty cool and seems pretty durable. I think I'm going to take that suitcase one and I'm going to put it on my nightstand because I like it. And that's pretty much it. I hope to see you guys in the next one. I hope you give them a chance and click the link in the description. It helps support the channel. It helps support Mukiya, and it really means a lot. You know, if you like watching my stuff, definitely feel free to subscribe. It helps support the channel. And like I said, check out Mukiya. That's pretty much it. I hope to see you guys in the next tech review. NoodleNick out.